Alegria que colho é curtir o verão.
Queima a galinha, rojão, traz a lenha pro fogão, vem fazer a maçã. Hoje é um dia de sol, alegria de colho é curtir o verão.
Being gay in this society is not to diminish our humanity, because our real purpose in living is only love, and to be loved, and share what we have. A glorious evening and pretty mabuhay. My name is Anna Marie Costantino, all the way from the home of the beautifully amazing Philippine Theater. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, standing by the name of your one and only sexy, hot, and sophisticated girl. The one and only, and sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan, Binibining Lobby po. Na nag-iwan po ng isang pick-up line, poste ka ba? Paihip. Thank you. Bongga.
Bongga.
That was our last